not only did Birmingham suffer bombing during the Blitz of 1940, they also had 2 bombs explode in the city centre in 1974. These were as a result of IRA bombing, and so Birmingham has had a bit of a history in that area. I still remember many occasions when I was living here in the 1990s, a number of times I've had to evacuate the city centre because they get a warning that the IRA have planted a bomb. We'll be there, and all of a sudden it'll be, "Alright, everybody needs to evacuate." And we evacuate. I remember getting into the library, Birmingham Library, just my friend and I, we met up there, and then next thing you know, we had to evacuate the entire library. Everybody just thought, okay, nobody panicked, nobody just walked out the city centre. But that was the reality of during the IRA, when the bombing campaign was on. This is Birmingham Cathedral, St Philip's Church. This building was built in 1715, and I believe that the tower part with the clock was added on and finished another 10 years later. And the church was damaged quite severely during the Second World War, during the Blitz of 1940. The church underwent alterations during the 1880s, and one of the things that they did was they put in these beautiful windows. Now, when the Second World War started in 1939, the church had the foresight to take these windows out and have them stored in an old mine shaft in Wales. And also this organ here was removed to an abbey outside the city. And just what happened because this church was hit by bombs during the Blitz after the war, when the church was repaired and that, they were able to bring back these windows and the organ. When you're in Birmingham, it's well worth a visit to come in here. I always find it quite peaceful. Obviously, we've got some guitar here.